We have some beautiful paintings here. These are all Mithila paintings, very well known paintings.
दूसरा साल है अभी तो यहीं आया हुआ है।
So, quite interesting. A lot of messages being given out with the help of these beautiful paintings. We have Syama Mandir there, and this is the beautiful campus I was talking about, guys. This is Lalit Narayan Mithila University for you. There's a beautiful pond. The water is clean, and we are going to give you a quick detour of the Lalit Narayan Mithila University. Right now everything is closed because of the COVID situation. Everything is closed, but once this campus opens, it is not this quiet. There's a lot of activity, there's a lot of bustling of students around. So this is the Lalit Narayan Mithila University campus, and this is where the Raja stayed. I showed you the monument sometime back. And then what we can see is distance education department here, directorate. We have a beautiful pond here, a very scenic one. We can't go inside without permission. So let's look at these beautiful paintings. Wow. We have some beautiful scenes here. A lot of beautiful plants out there. And the view is very interesting. It's a sunny day, no doubt about it. So it has been well planned. All the plants have been chosen carefully. All the paintings have been drawn very nicely in a well crafted manner. This is all done by villagers around. So we have different classes running inside, and there is that boundary wall which I showed you from that end. So we have the examination department here. Inquiry counter. So this is the examination department. You can see a lot of quiet space. So obviously when the exam goes out, it is not this quiet, and you cannot roam around so freely. I'm able to do that because students are not there because of COVID situation. All the students have been asked to stay outside. There is a person meditating. So this is all examination department. I get the smell of pungent smell of chemistry lab. Probably there are labs also around. So this is the university, the beautiful university I was talking about. I wanted to show you all guys. And you can see in and around, all the places are so beautiful. There's some horses grazing. So animals, all different kinds of animals are present. lot of work going on. So yeah, so this is the main space I wanted to show you all. So now you know. So now you have seen both LNMU and KSDU. You have seen both Lalit Narayan Mithila University and the Kameswar Singh Darbhanga Sanskrit University. So there shouldn't be any doubts now, since you have seen both these places. Amazing, both the universities are amazing, and the good thing is that they both meet in one space, and the students are taught Sanskrit, which is a big player of our heritage. Normally what happens is this kind of languages are being forgotten, but this place in Darbhanga is making sure that nothing such kind of thing happens. And we have Bhimrao Ambedkar's statue there, and then we have some beautiful Mithila paintings again, and we have Nagendra Jha Stadium, and probably here is the monument of the Raja. The gate through which we couldn't enter is the gate I will try to get out with. So let's see if I can get out. I'm slightly healthy and the doors are slightly smaller to get out. So this was the place. Again, some more work here. So I will also have to try this. I'm not sure if I can, but let's see if I can. So what I will do is I will go to that side and then I will start the video again. It's a very difficult situation I'm in right now.